Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I'm popping in with a pretty big studio announcement today. Before I share the happy news with you, I want to show you what we're going to be sewing in this week's tutorial. This is a brand new design. It is a very large twill tote bag. And it's unique because the handles here are thread underneath that exterior pocket. So you get 3 front and 3 rear pockets, and then that top edge folds over or cuffs to create a nice little detail. And this bag is very comfortable. It's very sturdy and very comfortable. It fits nice on the shoulder there. And because this cuff is not attached, you can fold that up and then get some additional cargo room as needed. So like most of my projects, you're going to be shocked how easy this comes together and what a quick, fun sew it is. I crafted this particular bag from twill. This exterior print is from the Hawthorne Threads in-house collection, and I chose I think it was their 54-inch linen blend, so it's really wonderful quality fabric to work with. So back to the news. I found out, I think it was last week, that someone was going to occupy this front office here. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. There's a window there, a glass partition that then looks into that office. For some reason, when I rented this space, I just was so excited I wasn't paying good attention. I thought that was like a window to the outside, and I didn't realize it was a window to the neighboring office. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you can see those actual windows that do go to the outside. But that opening is just glass separating my space from the space next door. So it's been vacant for the 2 years that I've been here, and that's been fine. But a wonderful woman who is a masseuse is going to move into that space, and obviously, since she's a masseuse, she's going to need to cover up that window, which means I'm going to lose a lot of my natural light here in the studio. So I really don't like to sew without natural light, so I had to start looking for another place. Now, it just so happens this building is huge that I'm in, and it has multiple locations. When I first looked at this space, there was a 3rd floor studio. I think it was meant to be a yoga studio because there's mirrors all along one wall, and then the wood floors, and then a back office. And I really, really love that space. But remember, I was making a huge transition. I was closing a brick and mortar boutique, moving into office space. It's a massive transition for my business. I wasn't even honestly sure if I would like being in office space, and so I wanted to just go small, find my way around this, because I had had my store for almost 5 years, so it was going to be a major transition. So I went ahead and took this small space here, which is super quaint and has served me so well. But then last week, it's been a long time in the making, but on the fly, I made the decision to take that 3rd floor space, which I can't show it to you today because they're making a few modifications for me, but I want to just describe it to you. It has a wall of windows that overlooks this whole main street, okay? It is a long, narrow space with the wood floors, which are painted gray, which happens to be like my 2nd favorite color. And then it has a wall of mirrors, so all that light is magnified. Like, it truly is, and I knew it 2 years ago, my perfect studio space. And I am so excited to show it to you. But what's going to be even more fun is you're going to watch me transform this otherwise, barren space into like this wonderful creative haven. Now, besides that, what it's going to mean for you is I'm going to be able to really grow this channel. We're going to be able to have I don't want to spoil too much, but there's going to be a lot of growth, and it's going to be a ton of fun for both of us, okay? So that's my studio update for this week. I love this time of year. I love spring. I love new things, new challenges, and I hope you're as excited as I am, because this is going to be an absolute blast. So I will be back next week. I'd like to wish all of you that celebrate a happy Easter. Tomorrow's Easter. And I will be back next week with another inspired project, and then the week after that we're moving, so you're going to get to see all that chaos and creativity unfold. So until then, as always, please know the creative genius in me celebrates the creative genius in you. Have a beautiful week, everyone.